Girl, this house is missing one very important thing. Magic. It may look empty now, but every great room just needs a little magic. Dinner parties are not included, but the space for them is. Proof that even a cozy kitchen can be magically functional. Guest room, kids room, or office? Let the magic decide. Warning, extreme comfort ahead.